Open MSI App Player. Go to Settings. Then go to Apps. Disable all unwanted apps. This will increase FPS. Go to Task Manager. Then go to Startup Apps. Disable all unwanted applications. Close the Task Manager and open Edit Power Plan. Go to Advanced Power Settings and select Ultimate Performance option. Click OK. Switch to Power Options. Click on Show Additional Plans and select Ultimate Performance. Go to this PC. Right-click on Local Disk C. Go to Show More Options and then click on Details. Wait a minute. Click on Temporary Files. Select all file and click on Remove Files. Press Windows key +R to run the Run program. Type %temp%, press Enter. Select all files and press Delete. Go to Recycle Bin. Select all files and press Delete. Press again Windows key +R, type temp, and select all file and press Delete. Go to Recycle Bin. Select all files and press Delete. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.